Welcome to day 26 of our easy 20-day declutter challenge. Can you believe we're in the final stretch? Like, it's crazy. Hang in there with me. We're so close. Today, we're giving some much needed TLC to our kitchen cups or baking supplies. Let's transform these everyday areas into organized wonders. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Spanis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. If you haven't already, feel free to download my free printable checklist using the link below and join us. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. Today, you have the choice to tackle one or two key areas in the kitchen. Your cup cabinet, or if you're feeling ambitious, those baking supplies. I'm personally going to tackle the baking supplies, mostly the cupcake holders and stuff area, but feel free to do either or. Start with your cup cabinet. Every mug, cup, or tumbler you own. Keep the ones you love and use regularly. Let go of anything chipped, mismatched, or that hasn't seen the light of day in ages. Pro tip: stack mugs or use a mug rack to save space and create a visually pleasing display. Baking supplies. If you're ready for an extra challenge, take a look at your baking supplies. Check expiration dates on ingredients like flour, sugar, and baking powder, as well as vanilla extract. Keep only the essentials, those tools and gadgets you actually use. Invest in clear containers for things like flour, sugar, and sprinkles. Not only do they look neat, but they also help you see what you need at a glance. Now it's your turn. Declutter your cup cabinet, and if you're feeling motivated, dive into your baking supplies too. Share your progress in the comments below. What's a cool mug or baking tool you found? If you made it this far the challenge, give yourself a round of applause. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss the final days of our declutter challenge. Tomorrow we're diving into the junk drawer because it needs its own day. See you there.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.